Hello everyone, my name is Harshada and welcome to my channel Loft Academia. Today we will be discussing NSO National Science Olympiad Class 2 Chapter 4 Food. Various topics which will be covered as a part of this chapter are as food sources मतलब food कहाँ कहाँ से हमें मिलता है प्लांट से और एनिमल से kinds of food such as energy giving bodybuilding and protective foods so ये सब different kind of foods पे discuss होगा balanced diet healthy eating habits and keeping your teeth healthy. Okay, so let us understand this particular topic further. फूड हेल्प अस टू स्टे अलाइव हमें जिंदा रहने के लिए फूड चाहिए होता है एंड ऑल्सो टू ग्रो ग्रो होने के लिए बड़े होने के लिए एंड बी हेल्दी हेल्दी बनने के लिए वी गेट फूड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स प्लांट से हमें फूड मिलता है एग्जाम्पल्स आर राइस वीट एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो राइस इज मतलब अपना चावल एंड वीट जिससे हम रोटी बनाते हैं चपातीज बनाते हैं एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम एनिमल्स वी गेट फूड. अब एनिमल से क्या क्या मिलता है एज फूड वी गेट एनिमल मिल्क मीट एग्स एक्सेट्रा. Salt is an important part of our food that is obtained neither from plant nor from animal. Salt जो होता है नमक वो ना प्लांट से आता है ना एनिमल से आता है. आता कहाँ से है? We get it from sea water. Sea water is salty, right? उसे ड्राई करके उसमें से पानी पूरा निकाल के जो बचता है that is salt. Okay. People who eat meat, eggs, etc. They are called as non-vegetarians. नॉन वेजिटेरियन लोग मीट या एग खाते हैं एंड दोज हु डू नॉट ईट देम दोज आर कॉल्ड एज वेजिटेरियंस. जो द फूड वी ईट कैन बी पुट इनटू डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स. सो अभी कुछ फूड ग्रुप्स हैं जो हमें डिस्कस करने हैं. जो हम खाते हैं उन्हें डिफरेंट ग्रुप में डाला जाता है. सो लेट्स सी दैट. सो नाउ लेट अस लुक एट फूड ग्रुप्स. सो फूड को अलग अलग ग्रुप्स में डाला जाता है. वन काइंड ऑफ फूड इज एनर्जी गिविंग फूड जिससे हमें एनर्जी मिलती है एज द नेम ऑल्सो सजेस्ट इट इज एनर्जी गिविंग फूड. द अदर काइंड ऑफ फूड ग्रुप इज बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड जिससे हम बॉडी बिल्ड करते हैं. And then the third kind of food is called as protective food. So now let us look at them. Food that gives us energy to work, play and do other activities. Those are called as, you know, energy giving food. Examples are cereals, oil, etc. ये टाइप के फूड में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होते हैं. कार्ब्स भी बोलते हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. ओके, सो food rich in carbohydrate are known as energy giving food. Now let us look at bodybuilding food. So as the name suggests जो बॉडी बिल्डर्स होते हैं एथलीट्स होते हैं वो लोग इस तरह का खाना पसंद करते हैं बिकॉज दिस इज प्रोटीन रिच फूड. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू हैव प्रोटीन्स. Okay, food that help us to grow and build up our bones and muscles. Examples are eggs, meat, etc. Maximum non-vegetarian food are going to be into this category. Okay, so these are called as bodybuilding food. Energy giving food, carbohydrates, bodybuilding food, proteins. Protective food, food that help us to stay healthy and fight diseases. हमें हमारी इम्यून सिस्टम को बिल्ड करता है हमें हेल्दी रहने में मदद करता है. एग्जाम्पल्स आर फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. वी शुड ऑलवेज ईट फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, राइट? द रीजन वाई दिस इज सेड इज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट you are going to stay healthy and you will be able to fight disease. Immunity system matlab to fight against diseases, that is the system which is used. Okay, so because this has vitamins and minerals. So, food which are rich in vitamins and minerals are called as protective food. Examples are fruits and vegetables. Now, let us look at the next topic, which is healthy eating habits. So there are do's and don'ts. Do's मतलब जो हम कर सकते हैं, हमें करना चाहिए, and do's don'ts are the ones which we should not be doing, हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. So this can be also said as tick mark, मतलब ये कर सकते हैं, and this should be said as cross, मतलब हम लोग जो नहीं कर सकते. So let's see what all things we can do. Eat meals at proper time. टाइम पे खाना चाहिए, ना कि खेलते रहो एंड खाना भूल जाओ. ईट क्लीन एंड फ्रेश फूड इन अ क्लीन प्लेट. क्लीन प्लेट में अच्छा खाना और फ्रेश खाना मतलब ताज़ा खाना खाना चाहिए, ना कि बासी सड़ा हुआ पुराना. वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर ईटिंग. खाने से पहले और खाने के बाद यू शुड वॉश योर हैंड्स. रिंस योर माउथ आफ्टर ईटिंग. ओके, खाना खाने के बाद मुंह मुंह को रिंस करना चाहिए. ओके, दैट इज गार्गलिंग. देन chew your food well with your mouth closed. अच्छे से chew करना चाहिए एंड with your mouth closed, ना कि बहुत मुंह बड़ा बड़ा खोल के और आवाज़ें करके खाना चाहिए. ओके, ईट अ हेल्दी मील मतलब हेल्दी मील जो बैलेंस्ड है, जिसमें सब टाइप के फूड्स है, मतलब एनर्जी गिविंग भी है, बॉडी बिल्डिंग भी है, प्रोटेक्टिव फूड भी है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज बैलेंस्ड डाइट. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज ईट हेल्दी मील विच इज गोइंग टू कवर ऑल ऑफ योर बॉडी रिक्वायरमेंट्स. हर टाइप का फूड ग्रुप में से हर टाइप का फूड खाया हो वैसे. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट डोंट्स, जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. ईट टू मच और टू लिटिल फूड. बहुत ज़्यादा खाओगे तो वोमिट हो सकता है, और बहुत कम खाओगे तो यू विल बी very weak, not strong, and immunity system which will help you to fight disease will be also weak. Eat with dirty hands. Whenever your hands are dirty, you have to ensure that you're washing them. With dirty hands, if you eat food, you will get different kind of infections. Okay, eat dirty and stale food. So ganda or basi khana, stale matlab purana, something which is not fresh. So वो तो हमें बिल्कुल नहीं खाना चाहिए. It will also cause different kind of infection. Okay, and also उसमें energy भी नहीं बची होती है. It's all waste. Always eat junk food. A big no on this. We should always eat healthy food. Once in blue moon, junk food is fine, but no, not always. A big no on that. Eat while reading a book or watching TV. Um, इससे ये होता है that you don't understand how much you're eating. What can happen is you can end up eating too much or too less, और पूरा ध्यान नहीं होता है खाने पे. You don't get proper nutrition out of food. That's why this is coming into don't category. Last few things on this topic. Balanced diet is a diet that contains all types of food in a right amount. So this is something which we just discussed just few minutes back, that it is balanced diet is going to have energy giving food, body building food, and protective food together, so that you get benefits of all kind of foods. We should have our meals at a fixed time every day. एक time पे खाना चाहिए, because our body clock starts ticking. एक टाइम पे हमें खाना खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज उसी टाइम पे नेक्स्ट दिन हमें भूख लगती ही है. एंड इफ यू डू नॉट ईट फूड ऑन टाइम, our body will start getting weakness and different kind of issues. Okay, we have breakfast in the morning. मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट खाना चाहिए. लंच इज व्हेन you have in afternoon. Snacks, that is what you eat at in the evening around 4 5ish pm. And then dinner is at night. Okay, we should keep our teeth clean. This is very important thing, that is called as also known as oral hygiene. जहाँ पे अपने टीथ को क्लीन रखना चाहिए. यू शुड ब्रश योर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे, एंड जिससे कैविटी नहीं होगी, जिसकी वजह से स्मेली नहीं होगा माउथ. ओके, so let us get started with practice questions of this particular chapter. Which of these is commonly used in India for making beverages? Beverages मतलब drinkable liquid, जो भी हम drink कर सकते हैं liquid form में, all these are beverages. So mango, we make panna or mango juice, right? Milkshake. Lemon, we can make lemonade, um, or lemon juice, tea leaves. So this is a tea packet. We can make tea out of it. Chai. So actually, all of them are beverages, and that is why option D, all of these, is the answer to this question. Question number two. Which of the following should we avoid? जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay. Uh, this girl is drinking milk or water. जो भी पी रही है, it is good for health, right? Okay. Um, here, this kid is having fruit, which is apple, which is good to do, good to have. And then यहाँ पे open में food item है. There are flies which are around and someone is buying food, right? This is something which we should definitely avoid. This can cause various infections, diseases, okay, should be avoided. And hence, answer to this question. And here, a girl is throwing the garbage into dustbin. This is something which we should definitely do. Okay, so that's why C is the answer to this question. You must brush your teeth dash a day. You must brush your teeth twice a day, morning में or before going to sleep. So that's why option B, twice a day, is the answer to this question. Next question, question number 4. Select the odd one out on the basis of food group to which they belong. Okay, so we have food groups: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, right? So egg is bodybuilding food, प्रोटीन है इसमें. फिश इज ऑल्सो बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड, प्रोटीन है इसमें. चिकन इज ऑल्सो बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. सो ये तीनों भी सेम फूड ग्रुप्स है. वाइल ब्रेड इज एनर्जी गिविंग फूड, इसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है. सो दैट इज वाई ऑप्शन डी, ब्रेड, is the answer to this question. Dash should be the heaviest and dash should be the lightest meal of the day. So सबसे heaviest meal should be the breakfast when you start your day. And सबसे lightest should be dinner, जहाँ पे आप खाकर सो जाते हैं, right? And that's how you will feel light and healthy. So that's why option D is the answer to this question. Question number 6. Select the food item that is good for our health. Okay, so जो healthy food है, this is cold drink, this is a junk food. These are eggs. Yes, definitely this is healthy. Eggs, they have lot of proteins. They are also known as bodybuilding food, whereas French fries and burger are junk food, should be avoided. Okay, so that's why option B, eggs, are answer to this question. Next question, question number 7. The items shown in the box are ghee hai, oil hai, okay, then you have potatoes, then you have chapati and rice. Okay, so all of them are energy giving food because they have carbohydrates. Okay, so which is option A, energy giving food. Moving on to the next question, question number 8. Select the incorrect match. Sugar, plant. Yes, sugar cane से आता है. So yes, definitely that is from plant. Okay, honey, insect. Honeybee is an insect. So honeybee से आता है. Salt, animal. No. Salt is a substance which is obtained from sea water. So it doesn't come from plant, neither it comes from animal. So that is why option C, salt, is incorrect match. Cocoa plant, yes, it comes from seeds. Okay, so cocoa का plant होता है, seeds में से cocoa आता है. When it is dried, it is converted into powder. There are some process around it. So which is from where we get our chocolates, right? Okay, so that's why option C, salt, is incorrect because it doesn't come from animal. Moving on to the next question, question number 9. Which of these is taken in least amount in a healthy balanced diet? So healthy balanced diet वो होता है जिसमें we take everything in everything from different food categories, जैसे एनर्जी गिविंग फूड है, बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड है, या प्रोटेक्टिव फूड है. सो वी टेक everything from each category and have a balanced diet. Okay. Let us look at the options. Option A, butter and oil. Yes, definitely this should be consumed in least amount. Otherwise, this can be harmful for our health. Especially, it is not good for heart if you consume a lot of them. Fruits and vegetables, very good for your health. Cereal, gram, and pulses are also good for your health. Egg, milk, and yogurt. Yogurt matlab curd hota hai, dahi. So all these are very good for your health. So that is why option A, butter and oil, should be answer to your question, because this should be consumed in least quantity. Next question, question number 10. Jivika eats too many chocolates and sweets every day. This can cause cavities in her. So cavities to हमारे teeth में होते हैं ना. So that is why option C is the answer to this question. You should not consume chocolates and sweets every day. It is not good for your health and especially your teeth. Next question, question number 11. Select the incorrect option. Do's and don'ts. Do's मतलब जो हमें करना चाहिए, don'ts मतलब जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, सो इसमें से इनकरेक्ट क्या डूज एंड डोंट्स है वो देखना. ड्रिंक वाटर आफ्टर प्रॉपर प्यूरिफिकेशन, मतलब पानी अच्छे से प्यूरिफाइड वाटर पीना चाहिए, विच इज विच इज डन बाय आवर फिल्टर्स एट होम. Wash hands before and after meal. This is also a good thing to do, right? You should do it. So ये दोनों do's तो correct है. Option C, eat junk food. Definitely नहीं करना चाहिए, तो ये do's में तो आ ही नहीं सकता. Okay, so this should be answer to our question, but let us still look at. Chew food properly. Yes, definitely करना चाहिए. So ये do's में सब कुछ fit होता है except for C. So which means इसका don't be incorrect होना चाहिए. So let's see. डोंट्स में ईट अनकवर्ड फूड. यस, ये तो डोंट्स में है. डोंट ईट, इट शुड बी रेड एज डोंट ईट अनकवर्ड फूड. यस, दैट इज करेक्ट. अनकवर्ड मतलब खुला फूड हमें नहीं खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू हैव लॉट ऑफ फ्लाइज अराउंड इट. एंड अगर फ्लाइज बैठ के भी गए हैं तो इट कैन बी कंटेमिनेटेड. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई डोंट ईट अनकवर्ड फूड इज करेक्ट. डोंट talk while eating. Yes, this is also correct. um, खाते वक्त बोलना नहीं चाहिए, अदरवाइज उससे प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. एंड इफ द फूड इज स्टक इन इनसाइड योर फूड पाइप, सो चोक हो सकता है, एंड इट कैन बी वेरी वेरी फीटल, मतलब जानलेवा हो सकता है. सो डोंट, ये करेक्ट है. डोंट ईट फूड at regular intervals every day. This is incorrect. This is a good habit to eat food at regular intervals. So matlab C option completely wrong hai, incorrect hai. That's why it should be answer to this question. And don't eat food from roadside vendor. Yes, this is also correct. You should not eat food from roadside vendor. Okay, so C stays as the answer to this question. Next question, question number 12. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Okay, so A, B, C, D में से कौन सा correct है, we have to see. The first one is dry fruit. अब इसमें dry fruits कौन से हैं? Green gram मतलब मूंग. That's not a dry fruit. Raisin. Yes, raisin is a dry fruit. Raisin मतलब dry किए हुए grapes. So that is a dry fruit. Dry grapes. Grapes are fruit. Dry fruit. Okay. Coffee is not dry fruit. Coriander is not dry fruit. Tea is not dry fruit. Almond. Yes. Almond matlab badam. It is a dry fruit. So A going to 2 and 6. A, 2 and 6. C. C should be answer, because A going to 2 and 6 is only this. Let us look at the other ones. Pulses. Green gram. Moong is a pulse. Okay. So B goes to 1. B goes to 1 is also correct. यहाँ पे और कोई भी पल्स नहीं है, सो B goes to 1 stays. Beverage, जो drinkable liquid होते हैं, those are beverages such as coffee, tea. So C will go to coffee, that is 3, and C will go to tea, which is 5. So C, 3 and 5. Yes, this is also matching. Spice. What is remaining? Which is coriander. Yes, it is indeed a spice. Spice मतलब मसाला जो हम खाने में डालते हैं. सो बहुत सारे आइटम्स जो बनाए जाते हैं, फूड आइटम्स, उसमें कोरिएंडर स्पाइस की तरह यूज होता है. And coriander is also added at the end to actually give flavor and taste, more taste. Okay, sometimes it is also fried along with tadka, मतलब जो ऑयल में तड़का डाला जाता है of various spices, that time also coriander is added, so it is a spice. Okay, we also call coriander as herb. It is a herb, right? So D going to 4 is correct. So that is why option C is the answer to this question. Next question, question number 13. Select the incorrect option out of the following. इसमें से incorrect कौन सा है? Option A, eating food in a hurry will slow down digestion. That is true. आप जल्दी जल्दी खाना खाओगे तो खाना अच्छे से चबाया नहीं जाता. You don't chew it properly. Okay, then that is definitely going to slow down the digestion because properly chewed food nahi hai to bade bade pieces hai. It is going to take some time for our body, that is stomach, the organ which is helping in digestion, to break it down further. Okay, so this is a correct answer. Fruits and vegetables should be washed before cutting them to keep the nutrients intact. This is true. फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स को प्री वॉश किया जाता है, पहले वॉश करते हैं, देन इट इज कट इनटू पीसेस. अगर कट किए हुए फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स को धोया गया तो उसमें जो न्यूट्रिशन होता है, ओके, दोज विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स, दैट इज ऑल लॉस्ट बिकॉज वो पानी के साथ बह जाता है, right? So that's why it is advisable that fruits and vegetables are washed before they are cut. Okay, so both A and B are correct. Option C, a small baby of up to 6 months age is given only milk because he or she cannot chew and digest hard food, and milk is a complete food. दिस इज ट्रू. इतने छोटे बच्चे को दांत भी नहीं होता और डाइजेशन, जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है, दैट इज नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ कि उनको ग्राइंड किया हुआ फूड भी नहीं वो पचा सकते. They'll actually throw everything out. Okay, so that's why milk is the primary source of energy for them. So milk ही उनके लिए enough होता है, and milk is a complete food for them. A, B, C are correct. So obviously अभी D answer होना चाहिए. Okay, so let's look at option D. Soya bean and jaggery are bodybuilding food, whereas cheese and vegetables are protective food. This is so soya bean and cheese. Soya bean and cheese, they both are bodybuilding food. So I'll just write body for them. So both are bodybuilding food. Jaggery is energy giving food. So I'll just write energy for them. Vegetable is protective food. So this is correct. So vegetable is protective food. Okay, so that's why this statement doesn't hold good because kuch information, एक ही information correct है, बाकी सब incorrect है, right? So this is incorrect option. Option D is the answer to this question. Question number 14. We should not skip X meal because body requires it the most after hours of gap between meals. What is X? So we should never skip our breakfast. Why? Because breakfast और डिनर के बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा गैप होता है. Because we are sleeping, right? Dinner खा के थोड़े टाइम के बाद we sleep and we get up in the morning, and we should not skip breakfast because एक तो long gap के बाद खा रहे हो. Another thing is, breakfast say you get enough energy so that you can start your day fresh, and you can utilize that energy for the entire day long activities. So that is why it is recommendable that you should have breakfast. You should never skip your breakfast. So that's why option D is the answer to this question. Next question, question number 15. I am fond of sports and would like to become a sports person when I grow up. Okay, this is Kritika who is saying this. Good for her. What should Kritika include in her diet to develop strong muscles required for being a sports person? Okay, so Kritika को strong muscles करने हैं तो definitely she need protein rich food, which is bodybuilding food. Okay, so let us look at this. Fish is a bodybuilding food. Sweet, no. Sugar के साथ है पूरा, right? So we should anyways avoid having it. Butter is, energy giving food. So butter भी कम करना चाहिए because we should have less of it because it is going to affect our health. Baki energy giving food you should have, but butter, oil, should be avoided, or it should be consumed in less quantity. Fish, eggs, and pulses, they are definitely bodybuilding food, and this is what Kritika should have in her diet in order to develop strong muscles. Potato chips, fruits, and oil. Fruits is good. Okay, vitamins and minerals milega. Oil is again energy giving food but should be consumed in less quantity. Potato chips is junk, so no. Rice, jaggery, and burger. This is burger is junk food. So rice jaggery is good, but the in order to have strong muscles, the answer should be bodybuilding food, which is option B. Next section, achievers section, also known as HOTS, and they carry 2 marks each in the question paper. Question number 16. Study the given classification chart and select the option which can fill empty spaces D, E, and F correctly. Okay, so types of food है energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. इसमें एक example दिया है घी. We need to check what will be the second option. डी क्या है यहाँ पे? बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड पल्सेस है. ई क्या है? एंड प्रोटेक्टिव फूड एफ क्या है? और another example is given which is vegetables. Okay, so let's look at the options. Option A, D, egg. D cannot be egg, right? Because this is bodybuilding food. So ये बाकी का देख के भी फायदा नहीं है कि करेक्ट है या नहीं, right? So A cannot be option. Then let us look at option B. D is rice. Yes, this is rice is energy giving food. E is egg. Yes, egg is also bodybuilding food. And F will be fruits. Yes, that is a protective food. So B should be answer to this question. But let us look at other options. D, bread. Yeah, this is correct. E, fruits. नहीं, ये fruits तो यहाँ आएगा और cheese will be bodybuilding food. So ये उल्टा होना चाहिए. Okay. D is jaggery. Yeah, this is energy giving food. E is butter. No, butter will come under energy giving food only. And F will be fruit. So F is correct. Okay, so that's why option B is the answer to this question. Question number 17. Study the given relationship based on type of food group and select the option that satisfies the same type of relationship. ओके यहाँ पे फूड ग्रुप दिया है. सो फिश इज बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. आई जस्ट राइट बॉडी. ब्रेड इज एनर्जी गिविंग फूड. आई जस्ट राइट एनर्जी. एंड कैरेट इज प्रोटेक्टिव. सो मतलब द रिलेशनशिप गिवन इज फिश इज टू ब्रेड इज टू कैरेट. ये ओके, सो ये रिलेशनशिप दिया है. सो वी हैव टू फर्स्ट, we have to find the similar kind of relationship in between these options. So the first one should be a bodybuilding food. Out of all these options, bodybuilding food is egg. Okay, so bodybuilding food, then energy giving food, rice is energy giving food, and ये spinach है, right? Palak is a protective food. So that's why option B should be answer. Or if we look at other options, sugar, right? So sugar will come in energy giving food. So ये सब उल्टा हो जाएगा ना. ये प्रोटेक्टिव फूड रहेगा. दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. सो ये सब गड़बड़ है. ये क्लासिफिकेशन करेक्ट नहीं है. यहाँ पे सही है. दिस इज प्रोटेक्टिव फूड एंड प्रोटेक्टिव, सारा प्रोटेक्टिव फूड है. बटर एनर्जी फूड है. प्रोटेक्टिव एंड प्रोटेक्टिव, सो सब गड़बड़ किया है यहाँ पे. This is correctly matching with the relationship which has been given over here. So that's why option B is the answer to this question. Next question, question number 18. Refer to the food items given in the box. Okay, you've been given butter. यहाँ पे fruits है. This is a fruit bowl. Then kidney beans है. राजमा बोलते हैं इसको. Okay, kind of a pulse. Then you have been given corn. Okay, then let's look at what P is. P, which among these will give you the most energy? Energy giving food कौन सा है? So that will be bread and butter. So energy giving food is bread and butter. So P is 1. Okay, now let us look at Q. Q, which among these is bodybuilding food? So Q is bodybuilding food. Okay, so let's look at the picture again. So looking at the picture again, Q will be kidney beans, pulses. Pulses are also bodybuilding food, right? So P will go to 1 and Q will go to 3. That is why option B is the answer to this question. Question number 19. Refer to the given flowchart and select the incorrect option regarding it. Okay, so I prefer studying this flowchart before I can even look at the options. So flowchart में क्या क्या दिया है? Food obtained from animals. Animals से मिला हुआ food. Yes है तो यहाँ पे जाएगा, no है तो यहाँ पे. सो अगर नो है तो इट विल गो टू क्यू, मतलब दिस विल बी probably food obtained from plants, right? So obtained from animals अगर yes है तो it will go here. Is considered as vegetarian, no है तो it will come to P. और अगर vegetarian है even if it is obtained from animal then yes है तो वो R में जाएगा. Okay, so let's look at options now. Option A. There is no such food item as R. R के कैटेगरी में जो फूड आइटम्स आ सकते हैं विच विल बी मिल्क, चीज, बटर, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. लाइक हाउ मिल्क जो होता है वो एनिमल्स से आता है, राइट? सो दैट इज वाई फूड ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम एनिमल, यस में मिल्क आएगा. Is considered as vegetarian? Yes, milk is considered as vegetarian because you don't kill animal, right? जब आप मिल्क निकालते हैं तब you don't kill animal, so that is why milk is considered to be vegetarian. और मिल्क से बने हुए जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जैसे चीज है, बटर है, that also in turn become vegetarian. So that's why there is no such food item as R is incorrect, क्योंकि incorrect निकालना है. So this should be answer to our question, but let us still look at option B and C and D. B says Q can be a white colored energy giving food which is a staple food of West Bengal. So Q can be rice. Rice है ना? They're talking about white colored energy giving food, staple food of West Bengal. So Q can be rice. सो व्हाट इज़ अ स्टेपल फूड जो मोर ऑफन खाया जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादातर खाया जाता है? सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ए स्टेपल फूड. सो वेस्ट बंगाल में राइस is consumed a lot and it is also white colored energy giving food, right? So Q can be rice. Yes, it can be because it is not obtained from animal, it is obtained from plants. So ये option तो correct है. P can be any of egg, meat or chicken. So P can be yes, it can be egg, meat or chicken because it is obtained from animal and it is also not considered as vegetarian. So is considered as vegetarian में no category में जाएगा वो. So yes, egg, meat or chicken हो सकता है P. None of these तो है नहीं because we just discussed that option A is the answer to this question. Okay. All right. So now moving to the next question, question number 20. Refer to the given table. So ये टेबल में दिया है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दिए हैं, ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम प्लांट, ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम एनिमल और प्रोटेक्टिव फूड है. देन फूड आइटम्स दिए हैं जो PQR है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट what this PQR is going to be. Identify food items P, Q and R and select the correct option. ओके, सो PQR में क्या क्या इसमें से आ सकते हैं? लेट अस लुक एट ऑप्शन ए. P could be spinach. Where is P? P is here. It can be spinach. Yeah, it can be spinach. Protective food है, लेकिन spinach है तो obtained from plant में भी tick होना चाहिए ना, right? So we can't say this is correct. Whereas R could be cinnamon. Cinnamon obtained from animal. No. R is plant का bark बोलते हैं इसको. So bark मतलब ऐसे प्लांट का लकड़ी जैसा ही होता है, ऊपर का जो कवर होता है, जैसे वी हैव स्किन, सिमिलरली प्लांट के ऊपर जो कवर होता है उसको बार्क बोलते हैं. सो इट इज ऑल्सो ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम प्लांट, सो ये तो इनका करेक्ट नहीं है. ऑप्शन बी, क्यू कुड बी ऑरेंज. सो क्यू ऑरेंज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम प्लांट, टिक मार्क है. हाँ, इट इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम प्लांट एंड प्रोटेक्टिव फूड है. यस, ऑरेंज तो सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है क्यू को. Whereas R could be cottage cheese. R could be cottage cheese. Yes, it is obtained from animal because cheese तो milk से बनाया रहता है ना, by product of milk बोलते हैं इसको. So it is obtained from animal. So this is also correct. So ये B तो correct answer है. So should be answer to this question. Let us still look at option C and D. P could be clove. P could be clove. ओके, बट क्लव है तो अगेन इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम प्लांट, राइट? सो वो भी नहीं करेक्ट है. एन आर कुड बी जैगरी. आर कैन नॉट बी, अगेन आई मीन इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम एनिमल, दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट. पी कुड बी मिल्क. पी कुड बी मिल्क. ओके, बट देन अगेन इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम एनिमल ऑल्सो. यहाँ पे भी टिक होना चाहिए. ओके, तो ये भी करेक्ट नहीं है. वेयर क्यू कुड बी बटर. Q is obtained from plant and protective. No, butter is obtained from animal. So बाकी सब गड़बड़ है. It is option B, which is the answer to this question. So with this we completed our chapter. So let us move to the table of content and let me put a tick mark on chapter 4 food, that yes, this has been done as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point in time. Please show your love and support with your subscription to my channel Loft Academia. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.